Hi, this is a short video on how to make a VOKI. We go to our browser, we put in VOKI. VOKI is an avatar that kids love to make, and it's a great tool for reflection. This is the web page that you would go on, the home web page. And again, it's a 2.0 tool that you could sign in and track all your VOKIs that you make. They have other tools that you can use for presenting with VOKI. I don't use it. I use the free stuff, and but that doesn't mean you can't use it for the more advanced setting. Um, it's a lovely tool because kids, first of all, they just love the creativity of making an avatar, and they love the idea of exploring this tool outside of the classroom to send to friends and messaging. And my whole idea is to, incorporate technology in a positive way so our kids, our Christian leaders, are coming out with technology, um, used in a positive way. We have so much negative um, social media out there, and we want to be leaders in showing our students to succeed in technology through the positives. This is just another platform for Christ and how we can be talking the word and the light, and another platform that has so much dark in it. And I really have a passion for these 2.0 tools. So we are going to sum up or reflect on the module that we did with this VOKI, or that we're doing with this VOKI. And so you would go to Creator, and a VOKI comes up. And what you would do is you would choose a avatar. Now, anything that has a star on it is a premium edition, so you'd have to pay for it, so it doesn't allow you to use it. So you go in and you check out. There's a scrolling feature here, and there's all sorts of things. Oh, look, we have Trump here. That's neat. I didn't see that before. And Clinton, but the rest you have to pay for. So we have, all sorts of things, holiday things, and you can just go through and scroll through and see all these things. But again, anything with a star is the premium package, and you really would have to be logged in and pay for that. We're not going to do that. So I'm going to go back and pick something, maybe something that's more holiday here, just to get into the season, maybe. Not sure, really. Oh, there's a turkey. I like the turkey. Okay, so kids really enjoy the avatar part. It's the creativity of it, but then we are really doing it as a tool of reflection. And when you look into these modules and you start to see, the digital citizenship that we're trying to put out here, we want positive feedback from our students, and they will love it. So you can do all sorts of things. You can tweak, you can put different colors in here and do things. You can make the mouth bigger or smaller, tiny, whatever you want to do. All sorts of things in here. And then the clothing, well, he doesn't know what they do. They do styles of clothing. So I don't know what that says. T-shirt, ready to eat. Okay. Um, okay, so then they may or may not have bling. Bling would be like necklaces or eyeglasses or whatever. So we get done with creating our avatar, and we can also choose backgrounds. There's lots to choose from. I'm just going to put something. Techie. It's moving. Okay, we'll do something techy. All right, and then you can choose 3 ways to do it. You can use their cell phones. They give you a disposable phone number that you call, and you can only record for a minute. So they can use their devices to record through a phone call. I usually don't choose that because then you got to get their phones, and that's a mess. So I like to incorporate, the skills of writing. So I usually go through this and assign a voice. You could also use like headphones and a microphone, or just on the Chromebook, the microphone. So I would pick something where I would make them write, and they can choose any accent language that you want. Of course, you want to be able to recognize it, so don't pick Chinese. Um, but I'm just going to keep it as English. And then you can pick a male or female. So you could have Fiona of Scotland or Hugh, the UK, James. Let's just keep James in there. And then I'm just going to write, this is the best class ever. So, and then I'm done. Okay. So, you have up to a minute and it'll stop you from writing when you're done. So what you're going to do is you're going to reflect on the first module by writing a summary from the questions that I have on the sheet of paper, and you're going to write it in, and we're going to look at a few VOKIs at the end of this lesson, of this professional development session. Okay, when you get all done with writing it, well, you can hear it, you can listen to it a couple times. You just push play here. I will play it for you when I get done publishing it. So then I publish it. I'm going to just write PD in here. You can track these. I don't. I just put them on. I save them, or I put them on YouTube, on my private YouTube, if I'm doing it for lessons. Or you can just keep the URL address, and it comes up on the web. No, I don't want to do that. And I copy the link. So here's the link. I copy that URL. I will email it to myself, and I will keep it on a doc and say this is professional development, VOKI, Turkey VOKI. So then I can go in another browser, and I can just paste it into the browser, and this is what would come up. So you definitely have to keep your URL, and you could save it if you're, you sign into VOKI. I'm going to go ahead and put the microphone up, see if we can hear this guy.
This is the best class ever.
So, yes, it is. That's my VOKI. Thanks for watching. Bye.